Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of German Muscle Auto. So today we're going to be installing the new downpipe. Well, it's not new, but I've had it on there some time, and it's a catless downpipe. Basically, I took it off because I had to get the right tune for the O2 sensors, and today I'm going to be installing it because we've got a lot of requests about installing the downpipe. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to do, and I'm going to take you step by step, and also what you're going to need to change out the downpipe. It's a simple job. Some people do it on the lift. I didn't do it on the lift. I did it on car ramps. So the charge pipe I have, it's not new. I had it on there quite some time. It ain't the best quality, but I also have the tools and everything you're going to need right here. So it's just a 13 deep socket and basically a little ratchet. I mean, not ratchet, but a little, basically a screwdriver to take the airbox and everything off. But other than that, it's going to be a simple job. So stay tuned and let's get into this video. Basically, that should get it loose enough. So after loosening that, take off your engine cover, set that to the side. Then you want to basically take off your O2 sensors right here and right there. Go ahead and set those down there once you got them apart. And if you want to, you can basically take this all the way off. So once you get the clamp right here for the downpipe off, you want to set your screws and stuff to the side so you know where they are. So also back near the downpipe, back here, I don't know if you can see it, but there's two screws for the downpipe hanger. So what you want to do is basically take those off, and it'll basically loosen up the hanger. These are what the screws are going to look like right here. Got one more, and then we're going to work our way to the bottom. There's the second screw. So now back there, it's basically like a lip, so you got to kind of push that back to make sure that it doesn't get hung up when you're ready to take it off. So now we're going to work our way to the bottom. All right, so basically underneath you have a bolt right here. Let's back that up right there. And then you have this bolt right there. And then the exhaust and the downpipe should be loose enough so you can take it apart. So let's get started on that part. So you're going to start with this bolt right here. Set your screw to the side, then this next one right here. And that should loosen it up. Basically, you want to spread this open. Leave a little space up that. Open that up. Now the downpipe and everything should move. So let's start trying to move this. Alright, so once we've done that, we're going to work our way back up to the top and take the O2 sensors off. And matter of fact, let's see if I can get it down here. Alright, there we go. So there go the downpipe. And what you want to do, if you can't push it to the side, turn the downpipe to the side. Probably have to lift up on it a little bit to get it out. Basically, watch your O2 sensor cords and everything right there. Now we want to go back up because it's getting hung up right now. So it's getting hung up right here. Yeah, just don't make that mistake like I did. Alright, so we're gonna go. Alright, so here got a downpipe. And that's how you take it out. So basically I got the tool to remove the O2 sensor. Alright, that should break it free. Now we're going to do this one. Now that one was broken free. Set that to the side. Set both of them to the side. Oh, and then you want to remove the gasket. Probably got to get a small flathead to take it apart, to take it off. Sorry. You want to take out this turbine gasket right here, or you could end up replacing it. So get the other downpipe, the catless downpipe. Let's see, right here. All right, so install this back. I know the downpipe is dingy, but you know, it's because I had it on there previous, like I said before. And this, the quality. So then we're gonna take that, put this back around it. And then put your bank 1 O2 sensor back in there. If I had some anti-seize, I would put it around there, but I don't have any. So. Make sure you put them back in the same spot. We'll put that back up there when we get up there. So for right now, we're just gonna put the downpipe back up on there. So after you get the downpipe in there, you want to start back at the bottom and kind of get everything situated. Alright, so that's in there. So that's there. Then we're going to go up to the top and snug up the downpipe to the turbo. So we'll make sure everything is lined up properly. Matter of fact, go back down. Alright, so we're back underneath. You want to make sure your screw is in right here. After you situated the downpipe, make sure everything is nice and snug. So that's what I'm going to do now. Alright, want to nice and snug it a little bit. And snug this one right here. right. So, you want to make sure all your O2 sensors are in the correct place. So let's go ahead and start doing that right now. Don't want to mess up the cords. Make sure you put everything back in the right place. So then I'm going to just grab my air box. Make sure that's back. Put this back right here. So all my screws and everything is tightened back up. I'm going to do a quick look over and make sure everything is correctly done. Once I can get this air box situated. There we go. Everybody's giving me a hard time. Just a little bit loose. I'll fix that though. Put the massive airflow sensor back. And that's it, guys. That's the end of it. The downpipe is in. And we're gonna start it up. So basically we got everything back installed. I'm about to put the engine cover back. Then we're gonna start it up.